Today I'm going to teach you how to make glitter jars or calming jars. Here I have a variety of different jars done with different varying amounts of glue, different glitters, different sequences, confetti, and of course different colors. I'm going to shake some up for you. That one's got confetti and glitter in it. This one has green and red glitter in it, so it gets really dark when you shake it. This one looks yellow, but when you shake it, it also gets really dark. So it's red and green, gold, blue, all sorts of colors in there. Here's a good one. The green one has a lot of glue in it, so it doesn't move as quickly as some of the others. The more glue you put in your glitter jar, the longer the glitter and sequence will remain suspended in the jar. That one's like a galaxy. If you put just a small amount of glue, your glitter will fall. It will settle faster, just like this one here. This one settles very quickly. This is usually the second one to set. The green one, like I've mentioned, has a ton of glue in it. It will stay like this for an hour or more. So let me show you what you will need in order to make one of these glitter jars. The first thing, the most obvious, might be a jar. There are two different jars I have here. This is a 16-ounce kombucha jar. It's glass. I like using these, but I have had students drop them outside and break them, and that's been sad. So I thought about using these. These are 8-ounce carnation breakfast bottles. So of course you remove the labels of whatever you're going to use. Think about what the ounces are. Usually it's on the label. If not, you can always fill your container with water and then empty it out into a measuring cup, and that will tell you how many ounces your bottle is. So you'll need bottles. You'll need a funnel. You'll need some clear glue. If you use white glue, your bottle will be cloudy. You really won't see through it. The light won't reflect on the glitter properly. It will be a disappointment. So make sure you use clear glue. A spoon to mix with. I usually use a 1/2 cup measuring cup and a bowl to mix with. You'll also want to have some food coloring to tint the water. You can, if you don't have food coloring, you can use watercolor paint. That's actually what we used in this one, was a little bit of yellow watercolor paint. It made it a smidgen cloudy, but if I did it again, I would try it again. See if I can get it to come out less cloudy. All right, so of course you're also going to need glitter, sequins, all that fun stuff. So if you have any glitter glue, now is a good time to use it. Glitter glue, real glitter. Here's a pack of glitter. I like to buy my glitter for students when I do this project from the dollar store, because you can get them in these packs that have a variety of colors and different sequency things. Like this is little tiny hearts. This one that I'm going to use today are little stars. So the dollar store is a great place to get that from. Okay, another thing you're going to need for this is you're going to need hot water. You don't need boiling water, but you need pretty hot water so that the glue and the water will mix together really well. So I have an electric tea kettle that I use. I bring this with me when I do this project. All right, so you have your bowl, and now we're going to start. What you're going to do, you take your recipe, your DIY glitter jar recipe. Or at the bottom, it says what you need. Have your list here. And the first thing it tells you to do is to combine the hot water and the glue and the glitter. So the glue, you're going to need it to be about 80% water and 20% glue. So if your bottle is 16 ounces, all right, or if your bottle is 8 ounces. If your bottle is 16 ounces, then 20% is about 3.2 ounces. A half a cup is about, I should say a half a cup is 4 ounces. So I use a half a cup and I fill it. These bottles are 5 ounces. So there should still be like a little bit left. So I'm filling it. There's still some space in there. Put it in there. I'm going to use my hot water to get the glue off the measuring cup here. All right. I have a little bit of water in my bowl. I don't have a ton of water in my bowl. I have a little bit of water in my bowl. Use my spoon here. Get the rest of that glue out. And I'm going to stir. Stir and stir and stir. Well, we talk about what color we're going to make. This is the decision. This is a hard decision. Remember, if you think that you want to make a rainbow one and you put tons of different colors in, it's just going to turn out black or brown. So try to focus on one color that you want to make. I've decided that I'm going to make a yellow because the yellow that we have is a little cloudy. So I'm still stirring. Stop stirring for a moment and I'm going to put in some yellow food coloring. I also have some yellow glitter glue that I'm going to use. So the recipe says that after you mix your water with your glue and you put some glitter glue in it, that you can add as much glitter or sequins or anything that you would like. So the glitter glue does tend to clump, so I'm going to try to unclump that without splashing myself. Let's see if I can show you what's going on in here. Clumpy. Some of my stars. Some stars in. It's like making a potion. Some glitter. As much glitter as you'd like. Some more stars. And this one is a little bit of different color yellow here. And I'm going to mix it up. All right. So one of the tricky things is getting all the glitter that's in the bowl into the jar and not leaving a lot of glitter behind. So one of the techniques is to mix it, and while it's all spinning around in there, you pour it quickly. Last little thing, a little bit more hot water in here just to get the remaining things, glitter and such. That's pretty, it's gold. Stuff stuck up in here. All the stars got clogged in the funnel. Crap. little hot water. Oof, got it all over my hand now. Let's see if I can get those stars. And I'm liking it. I wish it was a smidgen more yellow though. So I'm going to put a little bit more yellow in here. It's just one more drop. It makes me feel better. I'm going to bring this to the top. Tippy top. And it's always very hot after you do it because the water is boiling. And you can take some crazy glue and put it along the rim here and securely tighten your lid. Give it a shake. See how it works. So what I'm noticing with this one is that some of that glitter glue I used kind of chunked up. But overall, I really like it. I'm pleased with it. I think it will look nice with the other ones. If you notice, the green still has not settled, whereas the red and the orange are fully settled. There we go. Ta-da! Enjoy your glitter jar.